Welcome to my Indian astrology. Today I'll show you how to see the Tithi Pravesha chart with the Rashi chart together. For that, first open the Kundali. Now go to the Tithi Pravesha tab. Click on the Find Tithi Pravesha chart. You can do it for any year. I am doing it for the current year 2023. So click on it. So now the Tithi Pravesha chart is generated. Now go to the chakras. Under this chakras, there is one sub-tab mixed two vargas. Click on it. See, the inner part is showing the Rashi chart and the outer part is showing the Tithi Pravesha chart. Now, if you go back to the basics, you can see the Tithi Pravesha chart is still showing, right? So, how do you reset it? For that, again, go to the Tithi Pravesha chart, click on back to natal chart. Now your natal chart is showing. Now again, go back to chakras and mix two vargas. See, the Tithi Pravesha chart is reset and now it is showing the Rashi chart along with Navamsa chart. If you have any questions, please let me know on the comment box. Thank you.